This is a certified pre-owned 2010 BMW 528. This car has an automatic transmission and a 3.0-liter inline six-cylinder engine. All of the following features are included: steering wheel memory settings, dual power seats, memory settings for the side view mirrors, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, stability control, brake assistance technology, side impact airbags, external temperature display, and this vehicle has less than 32,000 miles. With an EPA estimated rating of 28 miles per gallon on the highway, it doesn't compromise fuel efficiency for size, comfort, or fun. The BMW inspection process covers everything from safety to performance and general wear. Plus, this BMW is backed by a 6-year, 100,000-mile limited warranty and comes with travel protection 24 hours a day, 365 days a year, even if you're not the one driving. This BMW has had only one owner and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Please call today to reserve this vehicle for a test drive.